how to buy Emilia AI token. So this token came under the symbol of Emilia. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there's referral codes down in description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko. Go there and find it. So this is the information of that token. Now to be able to buy this token, just click on markets here and now select one of these decentralized exchange platform, for example Uniswap. Now click on this pair link and you will be redirected to Uniswap page. Now what you need to do here, first connect your wallet. For that I will use the Bitget wallet. Now what you need to do, connect your wallets, and after that what you need to do, make sure to have enough of that token that you want to buy with. For example, if you select the USDT here, as you can see, make sure you have enough USDT on your Bitget wallet. Now what you need to do here, just type how much you want to buy and wait a few seconds. This is how much you receive that token. After that, because I don't have any USDT on my wallet, I can see here swap. Now after that, click on swap and you will be redirected to buy page to be able to complete the buy process. But before that, make sure to read all of that information here: the network cost, order routing, price, impacts, and max slippage. So after that, go and buy this token, and as you can see, this is how to buy Emilia token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.